Today we are going to forge a simple bowie out of this ball bearing. What's up guys, it's now a few days later. Now we continue with our small little bowie, so we finished forging it. Form is now finished, everything nice to shape. Now we're gonna do 2 temper cycles. So we heat it up to 800 degrees Celsius, let it cool down, and then heat it up again and let it cool down again. And then we should have a pretty nice and soft piece of steel to work with. blade is now finished. The tang is ground to the sides and rounded off the corners a little bit. Now we're gonna take some G10 and we're gonna make a guard out of G10. So we're gonna clamp the G10 in the vise, mill our slot, fit everything up nicely, and then we're gonna heat treat this blade.
Can you forge weld all these shavings into a knife? Drop it down in the comments below if you want to see it.
No, not again.
You can't forge that.
Shooting done. See you guys tomorrow.
Damn, boy, he's thick!
So I milled down the bolts a little bit, tried to mill the rounding in here a little bit as well. So now, wood. I'm gonna take some Amboina burl that's gonna be available in our online shop pretty soon. So now we're gonna drill the holes, fit the tang, and then more grinding, more wood, more everything. But now it is time for Speedbüchchen. Whoa.
Cheeseburgers. Whoa.
Like and subscribe. Spontaneous idea. I'm gonna put some carbon fiber and white G10 liners in between to make it white carbon and white, like our classic Martin Huber knife style of handles that we do. Anyways, it's gonna look cool, it's gonna look good. So now prep the pieces and then fit everything together and glue it up. So while the handle is gluing up, I did the grinding on this blade and we got a super nice and clean finish on this monosteel blade. So now it's time to bring the handle to shape with the blade as a guard. But I'm gonna tape the blade up so I don't scratch it because this finish is too nice. So, hi. Actually, while working on that piece, I forgot that I make YouTube videos and didn't film the whole process. I'm sorry. Update on the piece. Handle is rough shaped now. I shaped it from 60, did all the facets, did all the roundings, started to round over everything, the 180 grit on the slack belt, and then I glued it up. And while gluing up, I was like, oh, is the camera recording? And then I realized the camera is was still standing over there at the second belt grinder. And yeah. I'm sorry. Where's my camera guy when I need him? So see you guys tomorrow for the fine shaping of the handle. Until then. So thanks everybody for watching today's video. I like this BOWIE a lot. I hope you like it too. I used some black G10 inlays and this beautiful Amboina burl on the handle. Polished everything up to 1000 grit and then put some wax on it. Our favorite Baltic burnish, available in the online shop. If you like the videos and want to see more, please go down, hit the subscribe button, maybe activate the bell, and leave a like and a comment down below so you can help us out with the YouTube algorithm because they don't like us yet, but we can change that altogether. So thanks everybody.
God damn it.
For watching this video, and I hope I see you next week on Friday. Bye.
Nice.